Hi, it's Joan. This week, I'd like to have a look at some of the clues that declarer gets from the opponents, and also the fact that when you're declarer, your only partner is dummy. So you don't have to follow all the rules about leading the top of a sequence and all that sort of stuff, because your goal is really to play cards that fool the opponents more than anything else. And you don't have a partner who will misunderstand what you're doing. But the opponents, the people making the opening lead and defending, they're in a much worse position because they've got to try and understand each other. So let's look at this hand. You would open one no trump. It's a balanced 15, 16, or 17. It's got 17. So you open one no trump, four triple three, three no trumps it is. Now we've got to make it. So the first clue is the two of spades that's been led. If people lead fourth highest of their longest and strongest, which they do most of the time, then this West player has a four card suit precisely, because if this is their fourth highest card, they've got three above it, but they can't have one below it because it's the two. So you sort of know from the first card that the spades are breaking 4, 3, 3, 3. You don't know whether your ace and jack will make two tricks. You know you'll make a trick with the ace. It looks as if you'll make a trick with the jack as well, but it's a hard situation because you don't know what the two's got on top of it. If it's got the king, the queen, a small one, and the two, then you do need to play the jack. But most of the time, it's wrong to play the jack. It's better to play low from the dummy, hoping that East has to produce an honour. So let's start this ball rolling by playing the six. There's the queen. So East is likely to have only the queen. They won't have the queen and the 10 because then they would have played the 10. So win the ace. And now what to do? Our real worry is this club suit. We're missing the ace, queen, 10. We don't know what's going on. The only thing we do know is that West chose to lead the two of spades. So they probably won't have longer clubs. They've probably led their best suit and fourth highest. So it's likely that their hand has got only four card suits, either one four card suit, two four card suits, or maybe 4-4-1-4. But they won't have long clubs. But still, we want to steer clear of clubs. We would make 5 diamond winners for sure, 2 hearts is 7, ace of spades 8, and we need to make ninth trick. So I think we should do this quickly. I think we should return a spade to see what's going on. Sure enough, they won the king. If they hadn't played the king, we would have tried the jack. Now they're switching to a club. Now they've seen that we could have a weakness in clubs. It's not right to play the king. It's correct to play the 6. And now we lose that one. We'll probably lose, we'll definitely lose to the ace. But guess what? Our jack has been set up. That's a relief. We can't afford to lose any more tricks, and we won't, because we can't have them taking their club winners now. So we've made only one trick. Better discard the heart. Now we've made 2, but we've got 5 diamonds coming to us, 2 hearts, and that other spade. Now notice that West only had 1 diamond. They probably were 4, 4, 1, 4. So cross over to the heart, and we're not going to lose any more tricks. So sure enough, look at the lead. They led 4th of their best suit. Could have led hearts or spades, but they led the better suit, and their hand was 4-4-1-4. We knew that this would be a 4-card suit, so we could count out the spades, but it was quite a good idea to try to set that extra spade up, because if we played all our diamonds first, we would have to discard. And to discard any club would be a disaster. As you can see, we don't have much in clubs. So imagine we threw a club away when we played the diamonds. Now we'd make no club tricks. We'd be in big trouble. So thank goodness the clues we were able to use helped us. Have a great week, everyone.